So let's shift here again. Hopefully you can hear me, but do we dare to try something that we're not comfortable with, or try something that we're inexperienced in? So today I'm going to Elsford, which is in Kent, near where I used to work as a lorry driver at Tesco, not too far off anyway. And we're going for a welding course. Someone that's been doing it for 30 years, I contacted them, and obviously because I've got a degree in mechanical engineering, there's certain things I already know. Did a little bit of welding prior, machining and stuff like that, but not a lot. And yeah, something I want to get into, welding and fabrication at some point. So I thought I might as well do this before I endeavour on trying and getting my welding certificates, welding qualifications, whatever you call it. So I'm planning to try and do that in the next 6 to 8 months, maybe in the next year, worst comes to worst, because I've got a couple of things I need to do first, and then hopefully while I'm doing that I'll cut down on what I've been doing. So yeah, when I ask him whether I'm allowed to record, hopefully he'll say yes, and then I'll probably edit some of the stuff in if I can. If not, I'll just put some clips of some of the stuff that I learned, some of the stuff that I want to learn. If there's any pieces that I actually completed, I'll include it as well. But yeah, this is the start of something different, hopefully something that I can grow in and gain more of a passion in, because I've always loved watching people do it. I'd always ask people if they could help me try and get into it, but it's not as easy as that. I even paid for a course that I couldn't complete at the time. So I'm excited. A bit anxious because I've never done it before, and obviously something you don't know and you ain't done. It's human nature just to have a bit of doubt of, but yeah, who cares? If you don't, if you're not good, just continue doing it until you get good in it, hopefully. I wasn't always a good lorry driver. I'm decent, I would say now. I ain't got half the experience that some of these guys have been doing it for 20 years, but I'd say I'm pretty decent. And yeah, let's do it. Yeah. So I'm doing TIG. Yeah, this is mad. Absolutely fucking poor, but let me give it another go. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah. A bit more attempts. End was dead because that's where the screw part came. But getting the hang of it. Not too bad for my first time. I'm gonna try to go over it again. Not the best, but we're getting there. He's just done that. The teacher's just taught me, or done that first part. The second part, yeah. He's just done that first part. I've done that second part, 2 parts together. Not too bad. It's just the material that you use makes it easier or harder, but you've got to use this and this. Yeah, let's keep going. This is me welding aluminium. That was the first attempt at the top row. Second attempt, not too bad. Not too bad. Okay, man. Not too bad at all, if I don't say so myself. Yeah, on my way back home. That was lovely. Absolutely lovely, you know. Yeah, like at first fucked up multiple times. As I'm trying to get the hang of it, I fuck up again a little bit, but what do you expect when it's like the first proper time I'm trying to do it? Multiple different materials, Ali, titanium. I didn't show that part, but titanium is completely different, and steel in it. But yeah, I enjoyed the Ali one because I think, to me, in it personally, it takes a while for it to warm up, but once it's warm, it melts quite quick, or it bonds quite quickly. And you've got to be really quick at feeding the wire through. But yeah, amazing. I would really recommend. I'd recommend doing it with the guy that I learned as well. If anything, I'll probably put something like his business or his Instagram or whatever. Well, I think it's not his Instagram, but his Facebook up, or just at least his number. Because yeah, it was amazing, and having that ability to do one-to-one, even if there was no qualification at the end, for me at this moment in time, I think it's the best way forward, you know. But yeah, made something with him for my partner. Hope she likes it as well. Hopefully, yeah, hope she likes it. Yeah. So, cool little trinket souvenir to take home with me for the day. But yeah, try something new. Hopefully, I can make something come of it, innit? But yeah, something different in the Jetta back home. Shift out, safe man.